Why do you have a mustache and beard wax? Oh god. Hey guys, I am Kanishka. I am 17 and I recently finished my school.
Hi guys, I am Mishika. I am 24 and I am a working professional.
And today I'll be swapping phones with my sister क्योंकि मेरे को यार बहुत दिनों से जानना है कि इनके बीबी कार्ड में एक्चुअली है क्या.
आज मुझे पता लगेगा कि जो मेरा पैसा है वो जाता कहाँ पे है.
And also guys, make sure to stick till the end of the video.
So you can win vouchers from Big Basket.
So first of all, let's start with snacks and I think मेरे को already पता है कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या होने वाला है. Yeah, as I expected, protein yogurt, another protein yogurt, and for a change a protein drink. Snacks में भी जो इंसान प्रोटीन ढूंढता रहता है, you don't deserve to eat snacks because वो हमारी guilty pleasure होता है. Why do you want protein in everything?
Because I want the pleasure without the guilt. और ये वाला जो कनिष्का का कार्ट है, this screams कनिष्का. इसमें सबसे पहले है Pringles original potato chips, and this is something I dearly hate. Why do you want potato chips when you can have the snacks without the palm oil?
There is no guilt and there is no pleasure in these snacks because I would never eat them unless I'm on a diet and a very strict diet and I hate myself.
इसके कार्ट में cornflakes हैं, तो जो cornflakes खाता है breakfast में, I don't want to talk about them about protein.
Yeah, and muesli, again protein muesli. You just eat eggs and chicken. You don't deserve any snacks.
ठीक है, फिर then we move on to drinks. As expected, Kanishka has Diet Coke and इसने एक Diet Coke नहीं ऐड करी है. She has 6 Diet Cokes. पूरा कनस्तर भर के Diet Coke मंगवाई है इसने.
अरे and इसमें भी she has a protein shake. I hate you for this. You make me feel so bad about my own snack. And घर पे snacks मैं खा रही होंगी and she's always eating healthy और मेरे को लगता है यार like even she as a person I like her. She deserves some fun in her life. Why always this? Yeah.
I also see Shin ramen noodles over here. I think I give this a 10 on 10. इसके लिए मैं इसको कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी.
No, but here she has Wicked Good, which is some diet noodles and इनका taste इतना गंदा होता है.
अब किसी को बनाना नहीं आएगा तो that is what they'll say. I also see एक बहुत ही weird चीज मैं देख रही हूँ इसमें. There is dancing/talking cactus. ये क्यों ऐड किया है तूने?
अरे this is a gift for someone. Like अगर मैं किसी के घर जा रही हूँ and I give them this is a dancing.
So that they never invite you again.
No, you have a Marshall का speaker.
Yes, that is a gift of class that I would give to someone.
No, it's like you are rubbing your money in their face.
No, it's like I'm rubbing good sound.
नहीं यार, gifts ना are not about their price. I don't need an 18,000.
अगली बार से फिर मैं इसके बर्थडे पे इसको dancing cactus दूंगी.
And she also has some kitchen digital weighing scale. Why do you have that?
Yes, that is to measure my macros. खाना तोल के खाने के लिए.
Oh God. She either hates me or she hates herself.
Yeah, the first one. I also see a wellness journal. जब कनिष्का छोटी थी ना, क्लास 4th-5th में, तो ये स्टडी यूट्यूब उसको देख के हर दिन एक नया जर्नल मंगवाती थी. बट उन जर्नल का आज तक एक पेज से ज्यादा नहीं भरा है इसने.
And I also see a rechargeable desk lamp and a mouse here.
Yes, that is for my workspace because I work from home and she barely works.
No, I work from my bed because you know पढ़ने वाले बच्चे ना कहीं भी पढ़ लेते हैं.
आपने अपनी जेई रैंक बताओ फिर.
This is where I draw the line.
And I also see Umo Urban. I think this is some fragrance. और ये 5,000 का है. What क्या करेगी इसका?
I need to smell good यार.
हाँ, इसीलिए ये अपना फैम पे QR कोड भेजती है मुझे. This is what I'm spending my money on. As opposed to a table lamp, कनिष्का ने crystal lamp मंगवाया है.
Crystal lamp is for the aesthetics of my room. उसमें मैं lights का color change कर सकती हूँ और ना vibe आती है मेरे को अपने कमरे में. Okay. I see decaf coffee.
Yes, I recently discovered that and I thought कि when I don't need any stimulants, decaf coffee is what I should go for.
But why do you need coffee? अगर तुम्हें caffeine consume नहीं करना तो तुम्हें coffee क्यों पीनी है?
Just out of habits and when I don't need caffeine as a stimulant.
नहीं तो तुम्हें coffee क्यों पीनी है अगर तुम्हें caffeine नहीं चाहिए?
क्योंकि मेरे को coffee का स्वाद चाहिए ना.
क्यों चाहिए?
चाहिए भाई. But I see a Japanese luxury matcha over here.
Yeah, so matcha is for wellness girlies.
Yeah, Japanese luxury matcha, just so you know.
एक second, why do you have a mustache and beard wax?
ये क्यों है? मुझे नहीं पता ये क्यों है.
And then you have a compact juicer. And you have Locket food bag and pouch sealing clips
ताकि मैं आसानी से अपना खाना कैरी कर पाऊँ. And I also see sterling silver earrings for women. क्या करेगी तू इतने सारे का?
How much accessories are too much accessories?
The amount that you have are way too much accessories.
No, I need them यार. मेरी basic needs होती है मिशिका. You don't understand.
इसकी basic needs मुझे किसी दिन बेच के खा जाएंगी. I see a strawberry flavored treats Milky Bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think इसके लिए तो I'll share it with Kanishka.
No, but I'll not share it with you.
I will share it with you. Full stop.
No.
Organic cashew split, 2 pieces. The cashews from since when are you a healthy girly?
I have always been a healthy girly. देखो अब snacks में भी जो इंसान healthy खाए, they are not mentally sane. But वैसे तो healthy खा सकते हैं ना. You also have Jiva Classic Shiny Drop earrings. Those are also 1700. How much accessories are too much accessories?
The amount that I have are not too much accessories.
Saucery Alio Olio sauce. इसमें नहीं होती बहुत सारी calories.
Moderation is the key. But only when I am eating it. Okay, so I think this was it for her cart.
Anyways guys, मेरे पास ना आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही interesting question है, which is हमने वीडियो में कितनी बार प्रोटीन बोला है? Now comment down the answer to win the Big Basket vouchers.
And tell us what's the most quirkiest item in your Big Basket cart.
Alright guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and make sure to subscribe and also share this video with a friend who spends the most on their cart, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.